In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji next to your Slack username. This simple yet effective way to express your current status can help communicate to your colleagues what's going on at a glance. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your Slack application, whether on your desktop or through a web browser. If you're not already signed in, that's the first thing you'll need to do. Enter your email to sign in, or if you prefer, you can use a single sign-on option like Google or Apple. This step ensures you're accessing the right account and workspace where you want to update your status. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the workspace you want to update. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct one. Now, look towards the upper right-hand corner of Slack. There, you'll see either your photo or an initial. Go ahead and click on it to bring up more options. Next, you'll want to find and click on Update Your Status. This is the option we're after to set our emoji. Once you click on this, a pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose from a variety of preset statuses. Options include in a meeting, commuting, out sick, vacationing, or working remotely. Select the one that best fits your current situation. After choosing your preferred status, you'll notice there are options to customize how long you'd like this status to last. You can decide from a few default options, or, if you prefer, set a specific time period for the status to automatically clear. This helps ensure your status stays current without requiring manual updates. Similarly, you have the choice to pause notifications during this time, letting your coworkers know not to disturb you if the situation demands it. Once you've made your selections, the final step is to click on Save. As soon as you do, your chosen emoji will now be visible next to your username, giving everyone else a quick, emoji-filled insight into what you're up to. And there it is. Mission accomplished. You've successfully set an emoji next to your Slack username, making your status both informative and fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're able to make the most of your Slack experience with your newly customized status. Don't forget to adjust or update it as your day changes to keep everything up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy Slacking!